Hi, I'm designer Drew Michael Scott, and I'm here today with Mila to talk craftsmanship and expertise with Felicia Ryan, miniatures creator and master of her craft.
Thanks, Drew. You're a master craftsman too. For me, in my field, I feel like practice makes perfect, so I do it over and over again to really hone my skills in.
As a craftsman myself, I love investing in pieces created with the same level of care that I put into my projects. For example, the Mila Master Cool. Inside, you'll find brilliant light LED illumination that feels more like a gallery than a fridge. It elevates how you interact with your ingredients.
Attention to detail is a mark of true craftsmanship. As I fabricated the miniatures, it really made me appreciate the attention to detail that Mila puts in all of their work.
It's really incredible you were able to create these little models with so much detail. And I want to know, when did you start creating miniatures?
I've been doing this over a decade, and I love pushing myself with new challenging projects. And that time and focus really lead to innovation.
Exactly, just like induction technology with instant responsive heat and easy cleanup.
Quick cooking and easy cleanup just allows more time for passion projects. With Mila's appliances, you can choose bold design or seamless integration.
Like this knock to open feature, with no handles, it's a designer's dream.
It's only when dedication to craft is present that features like this are created.
Thanks to Mila for inspiring us today.